So, went to the pawn shop today and found out a few nifty little gems. One would be this smoke machine, and this is a more professional grade smoke machine compared to the one I got like a couple of weeks ago. But I got this for 40 bucks at the pawn shop. Normally they're about $150 on Amazon. So hell, I got a hell of a deal, so I went ahead and picked that up. We already got a smoke machine, but I was like, well shoot, I can't pass this deal. I also went ahead and picked up a couple little smoke bombs. I just was curious how much smoke that they would generate. So okay, first I'm going to go ahead and light the smoke bomb and test it out for you, and then we'll do the smoke or slash fog machine. Okay, went ahead and set it on the brick. Let's see how much smoke it generates. There we go. It didn't do a whole lot of smoke or anything like that, but it might be because it was like really windy out there. It did, after looking at the video here, it did create a pretty good amount of smoke for a very short time. So if you're going to use it outside, just make sure it's not windy out there, and it'll probably look okay. There is one thing I have to say that I don't like about this machine, is that the cord is really too short. You're going to need an extension cord or something like that in order to use this. At the time I didn't have extension cords, but I was able to get it close enough to the house to plug it in. Alright, it takes about 5 minutes to heat up, and it's finally heated up, so let's give it a test here. Okay, as you can see right here, I'm going to have the video from my other smoke machine up here in the corner. As you can see right there, the light is green, so we're going to go ahead and get a start. But I'll have that video up in the corner there so you can compare them both. There it goes. This one does make a little bit more noise than my other one. It creates a pretty good amount of smoke, but again, it's windy out here. I will say one thing, that this machine here doesn't have a wait time in between each bursts of fog or smoke, whatever you want to call it. This right here, you can have like a continuous one after the other bursts of smoke. Now my first machine, it does do a burst of smoke, but unfortunately you have to wait for like, I think about 40 seconds before it does another burst of smoke. This right here can do one after the other, as you can see right here. The first one, it does about 25 to 30 seconds of a burst of smoke, and then of course a 40-second wait. Okay, here in a minute I'm going to skip forward, but it's pretty windy out there, so you can't tell how much smoke it actually creates. Also hold the button back here to create smoke too. So all in all, I have to say I kind of like this machine. Okay, I took my finger off of it. It pretty much stops. Finger's off the remote. And light's still on, so I guess that means it's still ready. So what if I take it off for a minute? Give it a minute. I think it gives like longer bursts of smoke. Okay, so basically, like I just said there, if you wait a little bit in between them, it gives longer bursts of smoke if that's what you want. Well, I have to say my final thoughts about this is that I really like it. It's a really nice smoke machine. It is much more better than the cheap one that I got from Amazon around the same price. So I think I got really lucky buying this from a pawn shop. I have to say, if you can get lucky and buy it from a pawn shop for 40 bucks, I say go for it. It's really worth it. And not only that, this thing was still in the box. It was basically brand new. You could tell it was never used or anything like that. So I have to say, I got a really, really good find. As far as smoking up a room, I believe it would smoke up a room really, really good. Again, I was outside. I've yet to be able to test it in a room or a large room or anything like that. When I do that, I'll try to post a video, well, pretty much showing it, example videos and stuff like that. So give me some time. Just so that you know, when I do post a video, I'll have sample videos. I'll have that down in the description there. So look in the description and look for sample videos. But I don't know how long it's going to be before I get sample videos. So, but if it's been like a few weeks later here and you're just not looking at this video, more likely I'll probably have a sample video down in the description. Anyways, until next time, thanks for watching. And oh, by the way, I try to make my videos a lot more simpler. I don't do no more fancy intros or anything like that on my tech stuff because, well, basically I no longer have the YouTube partnership no more because, I mean, I still have the partnership, but, I don't no longer get paid for them anymore. So I don't put a whole lot of work in these anymore. So anyways, until next time, live longer, prosper, and peace out.